All right, another one, you might have seen these, Instagram stories, Facebook stories, YouTube stories. Everyone's having stories. Even LinkedIn is doing stories now. The idea of documenting your process, your life, your events, or maybe sharing news or sharing the work of others or highlighting things, giving people links, doing polls, all this kind of stuff. It makes a lot of sense right now that stories would be a great way to communicate and build collaborations, because it makes people more comfortable with who you are. And it also lets you share something that only you have. And that is your perspective. I found out that that's like a limited, unique resource that all of us have. You have your perspective. No one knows exactly what it's like to be like you, to see how you see the world, to be in your shoes. But when you use stories as a tool to help people see a little bit or a slice, a sliver of your perspective, it helps kind of create that like commonality where you're like, oh, I know what that's like. You know, like when someone shares a timely meme and you're like, oh, I know what you mean. Like, I feel that too. And so that kind of the ability to use these tools to build community and build collaboration is so helpful.